Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall tactical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall tactical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Indian refiners' crude throughput in November was the highest since February 2020, as hopes of a steady uptick in demand at the world's third biggest oil consumer prompted refiners to operate at full capacity. The US dollar steadied, recovering after a bout of profit-taking in the previous session, but its gains were held in check as improving risk sentiment boosted riskier currencies, such as the Australian dollar and the British pound. Block CEO Dorsey has consistently praised Bitcoin, and his departure as Twitter's CEO is likely linked to his ambitions around the crypto asset.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 13:30 GMT. The UK's current account at 0700 GMT. The French producer prices at 0745 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. The U.S. gross domestic product annualized at 1330 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.